everyone, welcome to SET International School Online. Okay, so today we are looking at multiplication of numbers. How can we multiply numbers? Okay, so that is what we are doing today on mathematics. Can you see this picture? I'm sure you are familiar with it. So we are going to go over it and revise. Do you remember 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times? We have 9 times, 10 times, 11 times, and 12 times. So let's go over it from the beginning. Anything multiplied by 1 gives us the same number. So 1 times 1 gives us 1. 2 times 1 gives us 2. 3 times 1 gives us 3. 4 times 1 gives us 4. 5 times 1 gives us 5. 6 times 1 gives us 6. 7 times 1 gives us 7. 8 times 1 gives us 8. 9 times 1 gives us 9. 10 times 1 gives us 10. 11 times 1 gives us 11. And 12 times 1 gives us 12. Same with 13 and every other number. Okay, this is 2 times. Remember in school you probably revised this in your class. 2 times 2 gives us 4. 3 times 2 gives us 6. 4 times 2 gives us 8. 5 times 2 gives us 10. Okay, very quickly, let's move on with our study. We are looking at ways to calculate multiplication. So many people are confused when it comes to answering multiplication questions. Can you see this picture? This picture is going to help us to understand how or different ways to calculate multiplication. Look at the first one. We have commutative property. Commutative property. We make use of the sign. Can you see the sign? This is the multiplication sign. You could also call it times. So we have a number here. 5 times 3 equals 15. So in commutative property we have 2 signs. We have the multiplication sign and equals to sign. 5 times 3 equals 15. Let's look at the repeated addition. Using this formula you repeat the number. Let's look at it. 3 is repeated 5 times. So we have 3 and 3 and 3 and 3 and 3. 3 is repeated 5 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 gives us 15. Let's add it together and see if indeed our answer is 15. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay, together let's do it one more time. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay, that's very good. Another way we can calculate multiplication is using groups. Can you see the pretty smileys? Can you see? We have the orange one, the green one, yellow, red, and blue. All 5 smileys grouped. And we have how many groups? 3 groups, all 5. 3 groups, all 5. You can see each group. The first group, second group, and third group. So let's count everything and see if it will give us 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. You can see it gives us 15. So 3 groups or 5 gives us 15 altogether. Finally, we look at an array. Can you see this array? Here, you can arrange objects. Can you see? We have 3 here. 1, 2, 3. And we have 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have numbers arranged. You can say 3 is arranged 5 times. The first time, the second time, the third time, fourth time, and fifth time. You can also say 5 is arranged 3 times. You can see this horizontally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third time. Altogether, everything gives us 15. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So you can decide to use this. Go straight to the point and say 5 times 3 equals 15. You could also put it in groups or use the repeated addition or an array. You could choose any one of these formulas. Can you see this? Okay, it's going to be your classwork, but let me just do one so you can have an idea of how to do it. This is how to solve it. Can you see the number here? We have 56. So we are supposed to find out which one will give us 56. So you ask yourself, will 9 times 6 give me 56? Or 6 times 7 gives me 56? Or 7 times 8 will give me 56? 8 times 7 will surely give me 56. So I will underline 7 times 8. Okay, let's move on with the study. This can also help you in your revision on multiplication. Alright, let's check this out. Finally, this is also a part of your assignment, okay? You are expected to calculate this, so you can now decide to use the array. You can decide to count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you count it out 6 times. The first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, and sixth row. Or you could use the repeated addition. You could decide to repeat 8 6 times. You could add 8 with 8 6 times. So you could have 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Altogether 6 times will give you your answer. I hope you enjoyed today's class. See you next time. Bye-bye.